Hey crypto fam, welcome back to Crypto Journal, your go-to channel for discovering hidden gems and market insights. Today, we're talking about two real altcoins under 50 cents that have strong potential for growth. These coins are credible, tradable, and have real-world use cases, making them worth watching if you're looking for the next big move in crypto. Before we start, a quick reminder. Low-priced coins can offer huge upside, but they also carry high risk. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This video is for informational purposes only. Our first pick is Hedera, HBAR, currently trading under 50 cents. Hedera is not your typical blockchain. It uses Hashgraph technology, which is faster, more secure, and more energy efficient than traditional blockchains. The platform is already being used in enterprise projects, tokenized assets, and decentralized applications, giving it real-world credibility. What makes HBAR interesting for investors is its low entry price combined with a growing ecosystem. If adoption increases, the price has the potential to rise significantly, offering strong percentage gains for early buyers. The second coin is Algorand, ALGO, priced around 16 cents. Algorand is a layer 1 blockchain that uses pure proof-of-stake technology, which ensures fast, scalable, and sustainable transactions. Its ecosystem supports DeFi applications, NFTs, and enterprise solutions, making it a versatile platform. The reason ALGO is a strong candidate for growth is that it combines an established network with a low per-token price, meaning there's room for meaningful percentage gains if the market recognizes its value. For investors looking for a credible under 50 cents option, ALGO is a solid choice. To summarize, HBAR and ALGO are two real tradable coins under 50 cents with practical use cases and growth potential. While they are not Bitcoin, their low prices and established ecosystems make them coins to watch closely in the next bull cycle. These are exactly the kinds of altcoins that could surprise the market if adoption and demand increase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Crypto Journal, and hit the notification bell. Drop a comment below telling us which low-priced coins you're watching for the next big bull run. Let's find the next hidden gem together.